Morning everybody, welcome back to Mother's Ruin. Oh, hang on. It's about this big. It's a wet and grey, rainy day today, so it's a bit too slippery for tractors. There's about 1,000 birds out enjoying the rain. It's not rain heavy enough to keep me on the couch though, so we're going to come out today and do some stuff. Behind me is probably where we're going to put the water storage tanks. I've got some drillers booked to come and drill some holes to get us some water. I don't have enough water from the sky to guarantee the trees will all live, so there will be some watering. Got 3 test bores booked in, one over there, one over more that way, and one over that way. So that'll happen in the next few weeks, but a little bit of prep to do. So I've got a bulldozer coming hopefully in the next few weeks just to flatten this out, flatten a couple other places out like we were doing yesterday. I need a bulldozer, can't afford one, going to pay a bloke, so that's how it works. So we'll go for a walk and we'll show you what we're up to today. Pretty low intensity, still recovering from picking up logs and chainsawing yesterday. I am getting old and it's catching up with me, so let's go for a wander. Apologies for the bird noises. Very active today, so let's go, let's have a look around. So this is the water tank position. It does run uphill, it's a bit hard to pick, about 2 meters from where I'm standing, so 6 feet. It's about 50 meters or 150 feet that way. So I'm hoping to just have a staged set of bore tanks here. Couple of rocks to move, a few tree stumps, but today's primary goal is to clear this paddock of all the sucker trees, and I'll grab the saw so then I don't have to come back and pick it up after I walk all the way down here. Yesterday's snake was a timely reminder that summer is coming, and I don't really want to do this job when it's warm and I can't see under the grass, so I'm going to use the tractor to come and take all of these dead trees. They'll all get chopped up into firewood. The biggest problem in this paddock though, or this patch, are these things. So these are all trees that people in the past have cut down, like those, but they've left them at tractor killer height, so that's radiator height, gearbox height, important thing height. So I have to drive through with a loader. And there's another one just buried in the grass, another one here, but that's a loader job. I also get a few little surprises in here, such as this cactus. So there's another tree laying in the grass. Tired of breaking the slasher, but today's job is to come and just nip these buggers in the bud. So we had a drought here, a 5-year drought. Some things survived, and then we've had rain for the last 2 years, and all these little sucker trees have popped up. Now, I love trees, but these trees are in where I want to plant more trees. So to give you some perspective, the first patch is down there, the dam's back there, and then this is next year's first patch. Runs from this big tree line over here across that way, and then put you around this way. The gate's over there, and this patch runs, there's a little waterway just on the other side of the gate. So this is quite a big patch, but I need to get rid of these trees, and unfortunately running them over with a slasher isn't an option. So I'll get stuck in and I'll make some chaos. The good part of today is I've only got 1 tank of fuel, so I know I'm not going to be out here for long. And that's about how it works. Just keep going. Oh, just work, damn you. Alright, done. I think I might have found a rock. Not a lot left in this chain, so take it for a walk. Show you something found. So over here, sorry, camera's getting hooked up. Over here, I found me some pig treasure. So the pigs like to lay in the grass and stay warm. So I'm going to get rid of the grass. But that's the majority of what I wanted to cut. There's a few little ones. Slash will take care of them and we'll keep going. I'll go down, check the trees and check the dam, see how it looks. Righto, dam's got a bit of water in it. Gone all fancy, put a depth marker in. Actually looks like it's leaning, which is a surprise. So I've had about 2 mil of rain this morning. And the peg was dry when it was in yesterday. So we'll see what happens. The top of the peg is about level with the spillway. So if the peg disappears, it's probably water running out of the spillway. Assuming the spillway actually runs downhill. I do have my suspicions that maybe it doesn't, but we'll spill ourselves out of the dam. Check on the farm trees. Clearing this paddock here, it's going alright. A couple of big old dead trees came out. Still got to get the stumps out. And we came up to clean up with the loader. What's today? Friday. Wednesday we're up here with the loader trying to clean it out. And got the car bogged nearly. We got the tractor bogged nearly. Thankfully we didn't get that on video, because that's a carton. But just going to push all this debris over into this tree line here, and it can just stay there. If I get brave, I might have a go at moving this rock, because it's right in the middle. So where the car is, there's a patch of trees going over there. There's a little waterway through here, and then this will become a paddock full of trees all by itself. But got a big ass stump to remove. Got to pick this wood up today, take that pick into town, prep that for winter. It's not a small piece of wood, and then we're still working out what we're going to do with this tree. Another set of water tanks going up the back. We'll see that unfold in the next couple of weeks. But I'll keep walking. So this is the tree, dead as. It's pretty big. Probably end up just stacking some stuff around it, either burning it out, or when the bulldozer comes I'll get it to push it out. Still no rain. It's really good. I can come out and make a video, go for a walk, fresh air. Oh, and thanks to the 4 new subscribers since yesterday. Welcome. Lovely to have you aboard. Stay tuned, bring your friends, drop in any time. A couple of subscribers from overseas in the last week or so. If you're ever in Australia, come around, say hello. So around the back of the dam, we planted about 15 to 16 farm trees. I call them farm trees because they're not going to do anything but grow and just look nice. They're, some of them are still clinging to life. Some of them have been attacked. There's actually a tree there. You can see a footprint just here. We'll see how it goes. I get these for free from my place. This is what they're supposed to look like. But these will grow about that size. But they're all going all right. There's a couple that have not made it, but it's also the middle of winter, so it'll happen. But we'll go for a wander over here. We'll go see if we can find some trees that look all right, see if any more birds have had a feed. So here's a tree that's probably not going to make it. As you can see, it's browned off. I won't pull it out. And this here, this is actually one of those farm trees, so I don't want him growing in there. So we'll take that out. So this tree isn't healthy. This tree is healthy. Again, a few weeds to pull. It's green, it's nice and flexible. As they brown off, they get less flexible, and that's when I know that they're toast. Some of these, this is one of the ones that got smashed by a bird. Now I'll find it, there it is. It's not looking real great, but you know, it is what it is. That's how it works. So here's another example of a healthy tree, complete with weeds. These weeds are all part of when they were potted. And then next tree down, this is definitely an unhealthy tree, but you can see where the frost got it. Some of them don't like the frost and some of them do. And I think the males are more susceptible to the frost, which is pretty typical because us boys don't like the cold. Gonna leave it in the ground. It still has some green on it. We'll see what it does. There's no point pulling them out. I mean, the cockies are doing a good enough job of pulling the trees out. Haven't found any damaged ones yet, but I'm only 3 rows in to the check. Alright, so tree check done. Everything looks pretty good. I've seen them worse, I've seen them better. So I'm just going to load some firewood, go and do some other jobs. It actually feels like the rain's gone, which, considering they were forecasting 40 mil, 9 inches thereabouts. It's a bit disappointing, but we'll take it and see what happens. So thanks for watching. I know I talk a lot in some of these, but yeah, why not? You can, why not? Over the next few days, 350 tree surrounds. Maybe do some more bed forming here and over. Here we go, there-ish. And we'll just keep chipping away. I've got 18 days left off work, and then 8 days back, and then another 20 off. So hopefully by the time it starts warming up, we've got everything in place, ready to get through summer. I'm going to show you something. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but have a look up here. Don't know if you can see that, but all those little white dots in the tree, that's the cockies. There's mobs and mobs of them. You can also hear them. I'll come around this way. They're all down the river. The river runs all the way through there. We're between grain seasons and harvests, so the cockies are looking for stuff to eat. And apparently my trees are tasty. So anyway, gonna load some wood. Thanks for watching. Please tell your friends, like and subscribe. Say hello. I'll respond if I can. If I can't, I'll respond when I can. So, mother's ruin on a rainy day. Where else would you rather be? For the record, yeah, they're heavy. And the dirt will come out, but they'll burn good. But I don't think they'll all fit. Well, note to self, no more trees this big. No, we'll get that another day. But wait, there's more. Thankfully, these are a bit lighter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.